I'm back, everybody. This time, I was gone for a long time because I was building a desk. In the downtime, I was actually able to kind of play around with some 3D modeling softwares, and I've gotten to the point now where I was able to model out a desk that I have really been wanting to build. I got a new computer not too long ago. However, I didn't have a whole lot of desk space, so I went AWOL for a while, partially because I just did not have the desk space. I was also working on some music with my band. You should go over to Interstellar, our YouTube channel, and our SoundCloud. We got a Facebook, we got everything. Kind of just didn't have the desk space for the 3D printing and all the extra stuff that I like to do too. So now that I was able to get into a 3D modeling software, I was able to measure up things exactly the way that I would want them to be. I'll show the process of that and then the outcome of what ended up happening and the reason I've been gone for so long. The Hazelwood Industries is now able to possibly design furniture. And I mean, I'm still doing the 3D printing, so I'm still making the lightsabers and the cosplay stuff and the helmet. You've got a computer and you've got a desk in mind for that computer. It may be something that we could collaborate on. Other than that, my buddy Carrie, who has the Standard Design Co., shouts out to him and his business. Go over to their Instagram channel. They do really cool rustic furniture stuff, super cool stuff. Every time I see something, it's like, man, how can you top that? He never fails to impress me. Definitely go check out his channels and his pages. I'll put links in the description of this video. To wrap everything up, I am working on my BD1, which I started months ago. I'll make sure to post that and keep you guys updated on that as that gets closer. It was good checking in with you guys. I am gonna pump this stuff out as soon as possible. Make sure to keep up. I'm pretty good about responding to any comments or questions that ever pop up on any of my videos.